a decade counter. A counts for 10 days. B counts 10 times faster than a binary counters. C counts to 9 and reset on the next pulse. D reverts on the pulse after the 10th. The correct answer is counts to 9 and reset on the next pulse. The range of signed decimal number that can be represented by 6-bit in complement number is A 31 to 31, B 63 to 64, C 64 to 63, D 32 to 31. The correct answer is 31 to 31. Schottky clamping is resorted to in TTL gates. A to reduce propagation delay, B to increase noise margin, C to increase packing density, D to increase fan out. The correct answer is to reduce propagation delay. In 8085 microprocessor, which of the following interrupts has the highest priority? A RST 5.5, B RST 7.5, C trap, D INTR. The correct answer is trap. The circuit shown in the figure is A positive logic or circuit, B negative logic or circuit, C positive logic and circuit, D negative logic and circuit. The correct answer is positive logic or circuit. In a clocked NAND latch race condition occur when AR and S are high, CLK is low, BR and CLK are high and S is low, CRS CLK are high, DRS CLK are low. The correct answer is RS CLK are high. In Von-Neumann-or Princeton type computers, the program A can appear anywhere within the memory. B memory and data memory are clearly distinguished. C data and instructions are distinguished at the first stage. D none of the above. The correct answer is can appear anywhere within the memory. In a digital system there are 3 inputs ABC. Output should be high when at least 2 inputs are high. Then output A B B C A C, B A B C A B C A B C A B C, C A B B C A C, D A B B C A C. The correct answer is A B C A B C A B C A B C. Which of them radiates emission? A LED only, B LCD only, C both LED and LCD, D neither LED nor LCD. The correct answer is LED only. A full adder has 2 outputs, sum and carry. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. For the circuit shown in the figure, what is the frequency of the output Q? A twice the input clock frequency, B half the input clock frequency, C same as input clock frequency, D inverse of the propagation delay of the FF. The correct answer is half the input clock frequency. Which 2 rows represent identical binary numbers? A second and fourth, B fifth and eighth, C third and seventh, D second and third. The correct answer is second and third. How many input-output ports can be accessed by direct method of 8085P? A8, B 256, C 32K, D 64K. The correct answer is 256. The binary equivalent of 4096.90625 is A 1,00,000,000.11101, B 1000000000001.10101, C 10000000001.1001, D 1,00,000,000.10011. The correct answer is 1,00,000,000.11101. When two 16-input multiplexers drive a 2-input MUX, what is the result? A 2-input MUX. B 4-input MUX. C 16-input MUX. D 32-input MUX. The correct answer is 32-input MUX. Two voltages are 5V and 10V. In positive logic, A 5V is 1 and 10V is 0. B 10V is 1 and 5V is 0. C 5V is 1 in some circuits and 0 in others. D 10V is 1 in some circuits and 0 in others. The correct answer is 5V is 1 and 10V is 0. In floating point number 011010000000101, the exponent is equal to 10. A 11. B 11. C 10. D 10. The correct answer is 11. The advantage of using dual slope ADC in digital voltmeter is that A. Its conversion time is small. B. Its accuracy is high. C. Its output is in BCD. D. It does not require a comparator. The correct answer is its accuracy is high. Which multivibrator can be used as a clock timer? A. Astable multivibrator. B. Bistable multivibrator. C. Any of the above. D. None of the above. The correct answer is astable multivibrator. T flip-flop is commonly used as A delay switch. B. A digital counter only. C. A digital counter and frequency divider. D. Any of the above. The correct answer is a digital counter and frequency divider. In the NMOS inverter, other driver and achieve load are enhancement type. B. The driver is enhancement type and load depletion type. C. Both driver and load are depletion type. D. The driver and load are depletion type. The correct answer is the driver is enhancement type and load depletion type. For the switch circuit taking open as 0 and closed as 1, the expression for the circuit is Y is given by A ABCD, B ABCD, C ABCD, D none of these. The correct answer is ABCD. Assuming accumulator contain A64 and the carry is set 1. What will register A and CY contain after RAR? A4DH0, BD3H0, C4DH1, D53H0. The correct answer is D3H0. Equipment using BCD numbers. A. Pocket calculators. B. Electronic counter. C. Digital voltmeters. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In a microprocessor system, the stack is used for A. Starting the program return address whenever a subroutine jump instruction is executed. B. Transmitting and receiving input and output data. C. Starting all important CPU register contents whenever an interrupt is to be serviced. D. Storing program instructions for interrupt service routine. The correct answer is starting the program return address whenever a subroutine jump instruction is executed. In N-channel MOSFET with gate reverse biased, the gate current is of the order A 10-3 amp, B 10-6 amp, C 10-9 amp, D 10-12 amp. The correct answer is 10-12 amp. In 8085 microprocessor, a RIM instruction is used to A. Disable the interrupts 7.56.55.5. B. Enable the interrupts 7.56.55.5. C. Read in the serial input data. D. None of the above. The correct answer is read in the serial input data. The digit F in hexadecimal system is equivalent to number in decimal system. A 16, B 15, C. 17. D. 8. The correct answer is 15. In level clocking, the output can change: A. On rising edge of clock cycle. B. On falling edge of clock cycle. C. During entire half cycle of the clock. D. None of the above. The correct answer is during entire half cycle of the clock. Which family of logic circuits uses field effect transistors? A. TTL. B. CMOS. C. Both LED and well as LCD. D. None of the above. The correct answer is CMOS. An encoder converts decimal numbers to binary and other codes. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Examine the following truth table. The product of sum from this truth table is A. XY XY, B. XY XY, C. XY XY, D. XY XY. The correct answer is XY XY. K maps can be drawn: A. Only for 2 variables, B. Only for 3 variables, C. Only for 4 variables, D. For any number of variables. The correct answer is for any number of variables. When a TTL is driving an CMOS gates, it is necessary to ensure that A. VOL for TTL, VL for CMOS, and V0H for TTL, VIH for CMOS. B. V0L for TTL, VL for CMOS. C. V0H for TTL, VIH for CMOS. D. V0L for TTL, VL for CMOS, and V0H for TTL, VIH for CMOS. The correct answer is VOL for TTL, VL for CMOS, and V0H for TTL, VIH for CMOS. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Decimal 9 is represented as 1011 in XS3 code. B. Decimal 9 is represented as 1001 is BCD code. C. Decimal 10 is represented as 1100 is gray code. D. Decimal 10 is represented as 1001 in binary code. The correct answer is decimal 9 is represented as 1001 is BCD code. For emitter-couple logic, the switching speed is very high because A. Negative logic is used. B. The transistors are not saturated when conducting. C. Emitter-coupled transistors are used. D. Multi-emitter transistors are used. The correct answer is the transistors are not saturated when conducting. Subroutines are used in larger programs, not A. to increase the programming case, B. to reduce storage equipment, C. to reduce program extension time, D. for ease of program testing at the program development time. The correct answer is for ease of program testing at the program development time. The circuit shown in figure converts A. BCD to binary code, B. binary to XS3 code, C. XS3 to gray code, D. gray to binary code. The correct answer is gray to binary code. The microprograms provided by a manufacturer to be used on his microprogrammed computer are generally called A. software, B. network, C. firmware, D. hardware. The correct answer is firmware. Out of multiplexer and demultiplexer, which has select inputs? A. multiplexer only, B. demultiplexer only, C. both multiplexer and demultiplexer, D. none. The correct answer is both multiplexer and demultiplexer. What is the direction of address bus? A. unidirectional into P, B. unidirection out of P, C. bidirectional, D. mixed direction, i.e. some lines into up and some others out of P. The correct answer is unidirection out of P. Direct memory access channel facilitates data to move into and out of the system. A. Without subroutine. B. With equal time delay. C. Without program intervention. D. On first come first serve basis. The correct answer is without program intervention. The basic circuit configuration for TTL resembles that of A. AND gate. B. NAND gate. C. NOR gate. D. OR gate. The correct answer is NAND gate. Time delay of a TTL standard family is about A. 180 ns. B. 50 ns. C. 18 ns. D. 3 ns. The correct answer is 18 ns. In a flip-flop, which input determines the state to which output will transition? A. Control input. B. Clock input. C. Both control and clock input. D. Either control or clock input. The correct answer is control input. In a synchronous counter, all flip-flops are clocked together. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.